There's right now. There is so much that you're talking about the weather right now with the winds and the rain and the mud storms. I mean, there's just a lot going on with our spring weather.
That's right. And speaking of that mud storm, a lot of you out there have cars that look like this. This was a picture posted on our Idaho Weather Watchers page by Vince McAtee of a mud bath to his truck. You probably look very similar with your cars, garbage cans, windows, everything that was outdoors yesterday. What happened was when all that wind came blowing in, there wasn't very much rain down in south central Oregon, and there's a dry lake bed there. It's called Summer Lake, south of Bend, and those strong winds picked up a lot of the dirt and dust on the shores of that dry lake, picked it up in the air and carried it all the way into the Treasure Valley, and the result was it mixed with the rain and dropped kind of a muddy mess, and that's left that splotchy cover over everything outside. And then even the air looked very murky yesterday afternoon and evening, didn't it? Until it finally cleared up a little bit overnight. Speaking of clearing, we still have clouds over us, but temperatures have cooled down to the 30s. We'll warm up gradually into the 40s this afternoon, but it will be breezy again this afternoon. And right now in Boise, it's mostly cloudy and 37 degrees. Winds around 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the northwest, so it feels like the 20s. The winter weather advisories in the mountains have expired, but there's still some snow showers going by here and there. They won't amount to very much. Over in the Magic Valley, a flurry or two, and windy too. Wind advisories are in effect for the Magic Valley until 9 o'clock tonight for gusts over 35 miles per hour at times. A little bit less wind, but still breezy to the west into the Treasure Valley. And so most of the showers are tapering off as well. Upstream from us, high pressure is building in as the storm pulls gradually away from us, but still some unsettled conditions for the higher elevations through the afternoon and evening, and then drier air works in on through the next couple of days with a warm up as well. No storms upstream to affect us for the next few days. Come the weekend, though, we'll see another low pressure trough drop into the region. So what are we expecting today? Well, expect the clouds to linger around for a while through the morning. And even though there might be a flurry or a sprinkle in the valleys, mountains may see some snow showers here and there until late this afternoon or this evening, and then clearing up and drying out. So the forecast for the Magic Valley is calling for partly cloudy skies and breezy conditions. We'll be seeing those winds around 15 to 30 miles per hour or more out of the west through the afternoon. High temperatures for the Magic Valley in the low to mid 40s today. Mountain areas only in the 30s with isolated high mountain snow showers. 36 degrees in McCall, 37 in Cascade, and breezy everywhere. Low 50s for the Treasure Valley, upper 40s around Boise today, 48 degrees. Cooling off down to 28 tomorrow morning, but sunshine in the 50s tomorrow, and the 70s very quickly Thursday and Friday before we cool down again next weekend, Carolyn.